Hey guys, how you doing? Been gone for a minute, but I am back. We are in Lithonia, Georgia. This wonderful neighborhood right here. Can you guys see that? All right, we're gonna take a walk through this home right here. Again, all the descriptions, prices, square footage, bedrooms, all that stuff will be in the description below. But we're gonna walk through it now. This home needs a little work, but nothing major. And I'm gonna let you see everything as usual. We'll start right here. So this looks like this can be an office or bedroom. Yeah, that's a closet, and this right here is your Jack and Jill bathroom. But let's give you a look around, spin around. There it is, perfect view. Closet space. So you open this door here. And there's your bathroom. There's that plastic tub I hate, but it works. There's the hallway out there. You have another closet here in the hallway. You might want to consider getting the floors redone. Some of the floorboards are loose. They are really scratched up, but this is a wonderful area. You'll need a new refrigerator. This is the formal dining area. And I believe this is your sitting area. We'll walk through this hallway again to get back towards that kitchen. Your wet bar area, or just your bar area, no sink. An extra closet. You have a gas fireplace over there. This family area is huge right here. Here's your garage. 2-car garage. Oh, they got the hot water tank outside right here in the garage. So hit me up, guys. Let me know what you think. Again, comments as usual. I'll try and answer most of the comments. Now we're going to try upstairs. This place doesn't have a basement. For all my Midwest people and East Coast people that are considering moving to Georgia, this one doesn't have a basement. I know you guys always ask about that. We'll go right here towards the left. Closet space in the hallway. I believe this has 5 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. Or number 3 if you consider the office downstairs a bedroom. Where's that light? Have a bathroom here in the hallway. And plastic tub. We have a bedroom. Most of the ceilings, if you see that, is was that vaulted? I forget. I think that's vaulted ceilings. This is your laundry room upstairs. Pretty spacious. You can work with this. You do have a gas line, I believe. Yes, that is a gas line, but you can use an electric one to save on your drying bills, heating bills. Okay. So here's your master or primary, whatever you prefer. This is a sitting area. And all of this is your master. Look like they glued something to keep the sun out. Could have just used some blackout curtains. Blackout curtains would have just been a whole lot easier. We're going to get to the backyard in a minute. That's a great view. All right, your water closet. Master bath. Oh, it also has a shower. Again, I haven't walked through here today, so this is my first time going through here. It looks like you have 2 closets. It's closet 1. This is closet 2. All right, we're going to go down and we're going to check out that backyard. Again, I always love a big window, letting in the sunlight. Close that up. You guys see this big backyard? Now it does kind of slope down, and I'll show you what I mean in 1 second. Your neighbor's got a big, huge privacy wall. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is Georgia. A lot of hills, a lot of mountains. And this slopes down. But you still have a big yard behind you, some big rocks to crawl on for the kids or big kids. Still an amazing home. Needs a little love, but good bones, great house. And I think this will work for you. If you're interested in seeing this home or you'd like to know more about this home, you can reach out to me in person. My number should be on the screen. Hit me up and we'll talk later. Thank you.
Say his name one time. Paris Collins. Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile, that man's on fire. Signs in the yard, numbers going higher. Best salesman, that's the headline. Got your dream house sitting on a deadline. You want keys, he's a reminder. You want value, he's the reminder. P-A-R-I. Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best bid in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Oh yeah. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one they call. You're trying to win in real estate, he's got it all. P-A-R-I-S. Collins every time. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Hey, ball through, ready, he's already there. Shirt pressed clean, perfect beard, great hair. He's got buyers, he's got sellers, turning just looking in the storytellers. From condos up high, the porch swings low. He's got a place everywhere you wanna go. You bring the dream, he brings the pen. Shake his hand once, you're coming back again. Who you gonna call when you're ready to move? Paris Collins stepping in the room. Best in the game, yeah, you know that's right. He'll find your deal in the day or the night. Hey, Georgia Peach, city streets. He connects the dots where the numbers meet. Say his name, bust the doors and lock. Paris on your side and you're ready to rock. P-A-R-I. Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best bid in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Oh yeah. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one they call. You're trying to win in real estate.